Welcome back to ASB's Innovative Insights. Today we're going to talk about Premiere Pro and its tips and tricks. We're going to look at scene edit detection. That's an AI tool that helps you cut up a pre-edited video into smaller clips just where the previous edit was. I'm going to show you how. Let's dive in. So as you go in, you can see we've got an entire scene which has multiple cuts on it. You could obviously go in and then find the cut, but then it's pretty hard to find where exactly to get the right cuts. So what you do is you right click on your timeline, go down to scene edit detection, make sure apply a cut at each detected cut point is selected, and also if you want to make sure that you have all the clips in a bin, click on create bin for subclips and click analyze. Let Premiere Pro do its magic. In no time you should have all the scenes cut up on the previously edited points. Now you've got all the scenes cut up just exactly where you need it. So now you've got all your clips in this bin, which lets you select which clip you want while you're editing again. That's all for today. Follow us for more ASB insights.